Hey guys, so today I will show you how you can make money and qualify for an airdrop from the Farcaster. And first of all, I want to remind you that Vitalik is really bullish on this Farcaster. Here you can see registering a prediction. Farcaster and Lens will not be deserted in 4 months or 1 year, which means that they will not be will not go to zero. He thinks these are long-term projects, and one of the reasons why I understand why Farcaster and Warcast will be a long-term project is here. They basically raised $180 million. You can see legit investors, Anderson Horowitz, A16Z, one of the biggest crypto VC firm, Paradigm, like Coinbase Ventures, Balaji. This is really insane and huge investors. So how you can make money? First of all, I will explain you. This basically Warpcast works similar to X or Twitter. I don't care how you call it, but this is basically where you cast a new posts, and the best thing is you can join many groups, and I have joined like 100 groups. And why you should join them is because there is so much alpha in a lot of these groups, and that's the best way and the best sources where you can make some money. For example, there are some groups that are creating their own project, their own coin. If you are first in the group, or if you are active and the group becomes popular, they will release their own token, which will go up, which will go crazy. One of the ways that you can make money, and many people already prove this when there was this Farcaster hype in like early 2024 or late 2023, and many people were making 4 figures, even 5 figures, just using Warpcast and posting. Now, I think this will be one of the ways that you will qualify for the airdrop as well. If you are just casting, and here you can see you can donate warps, which is the currency of this platform. You can donate warps to many people, to accounts, because everything right here is working through like blockchain, and your account is linked to your wallet. You can use my referral link. It will give you like 50 or 100 warps for free if you sign up with my referral link. So you will get the $5 and 500 warps. So you will be able to use this platform. The link is in the description and in the comment section. That's why you want some free warps. Use my referral link. And yeah, that's how you can start using this platform. That's why people are able to send you warps, send you gifts. And yeah, you can basically later on, I think they will give you some bigger airdrops if you are giving warps and receiving warps. So that's one of the ways I think they will you will increase your airdrop allocation. Another way is go on this Farquest website, where you basically can do these lessons. And for example, this is really easy. Understand the basics of Farcaster. The question is, can Farcast ID yearly fees go up? So I don't know. I press no. So it turns out that fees can go up. Yes. Here you can see it's done. And you can see this is already season 5 of Farschool. And there are so many pages that I have to complete. And this will definitely go to your airdrop token allocation. You have to fill all of these, and these are quite fast. You just go, you cannot even read it. You can just click everything, and one of them will be the right answer. And yeah, really easy. That's one of the ways you will increase your airdrop allocation, in my opinion. So the third way is go on the Farquest Pro, and you will be able to claim your handle. It will cost only 0.001 Ethereum, and you will have to mint it or on Ethereum or Optimism. Oh, it looks actually like the It's free on Ethereum. Another way you can make money is going on this quest page, and here you will see on the right side there are many ways you can make points. For example, get 1250 FAR points for owning a premium Farquest handle of 9 characters or less. And for example, I'm checking it in progress. Later it will show me if I got the points or not. Here you can see you can claim 50 points for an active Farquest L2 account if it's connected to my wallet. I already claimed first 10 followers on Warpcast, getting liked 10 likes on your casts, getting 100 likes on your cast, for example. I'm checking it, but I don't have it. And yeah, this is another way you can make points for this Farcaster ecosystem. And yeah, again, they raised $180 million for these insane VC capital firms. Really, really huge project. Vitalik is bullish. And one way you can find many great projects is go on Vitalik feed. He's on Farcaster, by the way, as well. Here I will show you Vitalik. So this is his page. You can see he's actually like casting, posting much more than on X or Twitter. He's even posting memes, like some math problems, and you can see every few days he's actually posting something. He's not that active on Twitter or X. That's why my advice is check this platform, check Warpcast, check Farquest, do these tasks, the Farschool. We are already in season 5. Also, you can do these spins, which give you like 2 or 3 spins every day. So I guessed right. I got 2 FAR points. Spin again, 5 left. And yeah, you can basically do this like 5 times daily and just earn your points. You can also check your items that you get on these quests and schools where you can open different packs. You can see I have few items. And the last way you can make money is going on these Farcaster trends. For example, view more, you can see the most popular tickers of coins. For example, Degen is the most popular token or coin or meme coin on the Farcaster. Here you can see 21,000 casts in the last 24 hours. Here are many more tickers, and here you can see top casts. So this is how you can find a good alpha or just understand this application in general. See what kinds of posts work if you want to be an influencer or get a big attention on this application. And again, Vitalik is bullish. He's using this almost daily. That's why don't fade the Farcaster, don't fade the Warpcast. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto, NFT, and AIRDROP alpha, press that subscribe, press that like, press that notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly, and you can watch the video and see all the latest alpha. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.